Hello everyone, this is me Saloni and welcome back to my YouTube channel Engage and Learn. So in this video I will share with you that how I got selected in EXL and how you guys can also select it in EXL. What was the process, what was the process of interview, and how many rounds there were. So let's get start the video. Okay, now let's talk about all rounds of interview. So first round is all about the HR round. If you get selected in HR round, then you will be able to go to the manager round. In that, manager will take your interview, and the third one is this normal test that is called English test, and the fourth one is MCAT test, where you will be asked some few questions of reasoning, maths, and English and computer knowledge, and the fifth one is your typing test. These are total 5 rounds of selection in EXL. I am not talking about all the other companies because I don't know much about it. Okay, now let's talk about the first round, that was HR round. So in that HR round you will be asked, first of all, you need to talk in English, not in Hindi. And the questions they were asking about, first question will be, tell me about yourself. This is the common questions in all interviews, so prepare for this. And if you will talk about your hobbies, then prepare for your hobbies also. Like I talk about my watching movies because I love to watch movies. So they asked me about that which kind of movie I love to watch and which movie is my favorite. Then I told them that this movie is my favorite. They told me that please tell me about the movie. So you need to learn about your hobbies first. These will be the question and they will just see your communication skills. So prepare for it. Now let's talk about round 2, that was manager round. In manager round they will also ask for few questions and they will also check your communication skill in English. Yes, communication skill, that is most important in any international or MNC companies. So in that, first they ask me again, tell me about yourself, and after that they ask me about about the process, and they asked me few questions about the process and I gave the answers. And after few seconds she was trying to, yes, my manager was a lady. Okay, so she gave me a paragraph to read and then she told me that what is written in this para, tell me. So I told them. After this they will ask about your education, they will ask about your family background. Okay, now let's talk about round 3, that was a question. There were a lot, like 10 to 8 questions. You need to write there a mail. There was 2 paragraphs from where a passage from where you need to find the question and answers. So this was related to this, and this is not that much hard. If you got selected in HR and manager round, then these will be easy for you. If I talk about the 4th round, it is not big issue. 4th round is all about the 6th and 7th class understanding, so you will be able to clear that also. In that like MCAT test, you will be asked few questions of English, few questions of maths, few questions of computer, and few questions of reasoning. So there were total 20 questions. Now let's talk about 5th round, that was all about typing round. So the typing round, in typing round there will be 90% accuracy with 26 or 27 word per minute. So it's easy if you will practice it. If this video was helpful for you, then do subscribe, like and share the video, and ask me whatever you want in the comments. I will make video on that topic. Bye bye.